Hello, dear kids. Let's come and practice the sound of C. We have practiced the sound of A and B. Here are two sounds of C. One is hard sound, that is K, like K, K, cat. And one is soft sound, that is S, circle. Okay. First we will practice hard sound, that is K. K, K, cat. K, K, cat. K, K, cup. K, K, cup. K, K, car. K, K, car. K, K, cake. K, K, cake. K, K, cow. K, K, cow. K, K, clap. K, K, clap. Now soft sound, that is S. So, s, circle. City. S, cycle. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.